12th standard English, simple compound complex grammar. This is 2 marks, do as directed grammar, 2 marks question patterns. Okay, that is revision. Already I had taught. Just again we have to revise this simple compound complex through this tabular column. Okay, first actually we have 6 types important simple compound complex. First 4 I have written. After explain that, and remaining 2 I will explain. Okay, how to change from simple to compound and compound to complex. Okay, just let us revise this simple compound complex. First type, verb plus ing or on plus verb ing. Okay, this is beginning of the sentence we will make it. If you have it verb plus ing, for example, seeing, walking, singing, on seeing, on singing, on walking, on dancing. Okay, anyone. Okay, so that is simple first type. Next, compound and or and at once. Anyone we can use. If you want to use and, we should not use and at once. So they're both compound. Okay, so we can use any one we can use. Complex, when or as soon as. When, if you want to use as soon as, we should not use. As soon as, if you want to use when, we should not use. So both, any one we can write. Second one, being or owing to, due to, on account of, because of. These or second type, the simple, the reasonable situation. So okay, any one we can use. And so, so. The compound conjunction, and so, and so. Okay, complex as since. Anyone we can use. Okay, first type, how did you learn? When or as soon as. The same second type also as, otherwise since we can use. Okay, this is beginning of the sentence. The simple and complex we can use that the beginning of the sentence, but compound we can't use that, like that the middle of the sentence we have to use. The both 2 main class, 1 conjunction we can use. Already I told you the definition. What is the simple, what is the compound, what is the complex. Okay, again I will revise that. Okay, after this tabular column I will tell you. Okay, and so, otherwise so, that beginning of the sentence, 2 main class, 1 conjunction we can use. But here complex, that is a subordinate class, 1 main class I told you. Okay, the beginning of the sentence we can use. Okay, next, third, in spite of or despite plus noun. Okay, in spite of or despite plus noun. Compound, but yet still. But yet still. Complex, though, although, even though. So 3 we have it, so any one we can use. In the event of despite plus verb ing, or then only. Okay, so 2 conjunction. If you want to use or and then only. Okay, so anything. Or where will you use means here negative forms. Okay, prepare well or you will not get more marks. Okay, so prepare well, then only you will get more marks. Okay, clear the different sheets. Here, if, can, or will, or could, always would. So this is complex. Okay, the beginning of the sentence we can use that. Okay, next the remaining fifth and sixth types. One minute. Next, fifth and sixth types. Okay, let us see that fifth and fifth type. 1 minute. Simple. Having plus V3. Having plus V3 and then that is compound. Okay, then after plus had V3. Okay. Compound complex. Okay. So this is fifth type, and sixth type. Sixth one, 2, 2. So here I told you simple and complex beginning of the sentence we have to use. But sixth type only 2 and 2 we can't use the beginning of the sentence. That's the middle. Okay, but this is a simple, but that is exception. Sixth types we have to use this like only. Okay, 2, 2. Here the compound very and so can always could not, so that complex, so that can always could not, you can negative forms we can use. Okay, so this is fifth and sixth types. Simple, compound, complex. 6 types we have seen. Okay, already we have seen, just now we have seen that first 4 types, the remaining second 2 types, fifth and sixth type, just now I have written here. So this is clear, okay, to understand. Again I repeat, fifth type having plus V3, compound and then complex after plus had V3. This is beginning of the sentence. Simple and complex fifth type. Compound, the middle of the sentence, that is conjunction, and then okay, only one conjunction we have to use. Sixth type 2, 2. Okay, so sixth type 2, 2. Very and so can could not. Okay, then complex so that can could not. Okay, just let us see that examples. First type, on singing well, she gets first prize. On seeing well, she got, we can use that's past. On singing well, she got first prize. Okay. How will you change into compound? First we have to identify that whether it is simple or compound or complex. Okay. So this is simple, first type. Okay. How to change compound? She 1 minute here. Okay. Here she sing, singing, sing, sang, sung. She sang well. So she sang well. And at once, that's first step. She sang well and she got first prize, and she got first prize. Okay. So and otherwise and at once we can use. She sang well and she got first prize. This is compound. Okay, complex. How will you change complex? here when or as soon as, you can use as soon as soon as she sang well, she got first prize. That's all. She sang well, she got first prize. As soon as, okay, she sang well, she got first prize. Okay, next, that second type. Being, otherwise because of, on account of, that is reasonable, already told you. Being poor, he cannot pay the fees, school fees or college fees. He cannot pay the fees. Okay, this is simple. Okay, so how do you identify that this is simple? Because second type, being, okay, we have learned being on account of, because of, that is reasonable. Being poor, he cannot pay the fees. Okay, how will you make this? He is poor. Okay, he is poor, and so he cannot pay the fees. Okay, so here, okay, he is poor, so otherwise I'm so. He is poor, so he cannot pay the fees. Okay, how will you change complex from compound? Simple. As he is poor, he cannot pay the fees. He cannot pay the fees. That's all. As he is poor, he cannot pay the fees. This is complex. Okay, just we have seen first and second type. Okay, with the exercise and tabular column, we have seen 6 types of tabular column. But the exercise examples only we have seen first 2 types. Next class we will continue that revisions. Okay, remaining simple, compound, complex. Thank you.